Hi. Welcome back to the Maruka Motors YouTube channel. My name is Sean, and this is our 2014 Dodge Challenger RT. Nothing special, it's not the shaker or anything like that, just normal RT. And, well, today we're going to be changing out the suspension on it. The previous owner put Eibach on it and did not, well, let's just say they half-assed it. And you may notice I have a donut on the front here. And that's because the Wednesday before Christmas in 2020, no, not 2020, sorry. In 2022, there was, basically the tire went flat because the inside sidewall of the tire was making contact with this control arm and ate a hole through it. So now I am waiting for a discount to finish mounting the tires to the wheels so that way I can go pick them up. And while we're waiting for them, we're going to put a Mopar Stage 2 suspension upgrade kit on this. Right now it's running an Eibach 2-inch lowerings kit on it. And in the description of the Mopar stuff, it said that it could lower the ride height 1/2 inch. I'm assuming that they meant from factory. So that means I will gain 1.5 inches of suspension. I will gain 1.5 inches of clearance, and our tires won't be rubbing anymore, hopefully. So let's get to it.
On a mission to find Dad.
We're on a mission to find Dad.
On a mission to find Dad. He is actually. He's not stepping over your tools. Look, I'm just gonna step on this.
You stepping on that toe.
You did. You did that. I'm on a mission to find you. Get off of that.
Do that. As much as I
Just help
love
me be smart and just jump on you. Not this bad boy.
No, let's jump on the car. That costs more than him and is on jack stands.
Come on. Come on.
Love that dog. Where is that? Oh, damn, those are some beefy ass fucking sway bar links. God, I'm fucking good at this shit. Remove the upper ball joint from the knuckle. Oh. Never mind. I was looking at the wrong thing. It makes total sense now.
Okay. Oh man, you got a socket rolling all over the fucking place. Oh, it's a basically hit it like you don't like it. Wham that motherfucker.
This is my
This is
baby.
my baby.
Don't hit nothing but that. Nothing else but that.
Alright.
Is that good or bad?
Good. It's out.
Was that easier than using a puller?
Yeah.
See, they don't tell you. They're showing you how it's supposed to be done at
You
the
say
dealership.
generic?
Huh?
Generic instructions.
Well,
Generic, bro.
us old fucks used to have to do it different. When I was mechanicing,
Here we go,
called
Dave.
Protected me from him kicking. You better watch out. She's
Oh, look, they
it
give
was
you
called
a
a BFH. Big fucking hammer. Covered lots of territory.
Oh shit. Here we go, Dave. They gave you a part number on which cooler to buy.
Yes, right there. Called BFH.
I don't know the fucking
Okay, well, I'm heading back from the roof. I think is where I started.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, look at these pieces of shit.
29 minutes. We're going to be doing feet up, right?
Yeah. Well, I got about 5-10 minutes worth of work. It's harder to get up there and down than it is to do whatever I'm doing up there.
Should make it.
Okay, now throw that in the motherfucking trash.
Yep.
No, actually, you need to save that to make sure whatever you're putting back on does this, looks just like that.
Yeah, no shit.
I think you got one that looks just like that, don't you?
Pretty similar.
Like this thing here.
Why do I need to disassemble it?
Because you're probably gonna have to use this spring.
No, they gave me new springs.
So why would you disassemble it?
They gave me...
Riled up and ready to
Spur you up.
pretty fucking much. And I'm looking at his spurs. I'm like, gee, fucking back.
They're ready. Well, I got this together, but not the right shit. Seat clamps and a bench vise. It was sketchy, but it works. This suspension shit's so much more complicated than Jeep. I don't understand it. These are the tires. Some Falcon ZX 950s. I like them. Hopefully they do as good as they look. All right, well, that corner's done. Everything's back together. So I'm not gonna show you the other side, same fucking thing. So when you see me, the front will be done and we will be on to the rear. Oh, okay. Well, I forgot to record the rear. I wanted to get it done. But on the bright side, it is done. So everything is sitting how it should from the factory. There's wheel gap. People say they don't like wheel gap. I don't give a shit. I like my tires not being destroyed more. Plus the stance from the factory to me looks a hell of a lot better. So it's done, and I hope that you like the video, even though. Hi, love. All right, it's the end, and I'm gonna go to bed.